What up, YouTube? It's boy Rip Your Soul here. I got some dope news for y'all. I was lucky enough to get me a spot on Air Max Con NYC, the ultimate Air Max experience, from March 25th. But I also got approved for the 26th and the 24th. Okay, so I was on my game. I'm definitely gonna go up in there and do some dope footage. Hopefully, cop out on some nice Air Maxes. You know, I like my Air Max 1s and my Air Max 90s. Y'all know, you know me. I love my Air Maxes. But yeah, I was lucky enough to get in there and get me a ticket. Okay, me and my wife, we got a ticket, so we both gonna be in there doing some dope footage. You know, dope footage. Definitely bringing the camera out. And yeah, so that's not.
You do a video.
Oh, thanks. You just photobombed me. Thank you. All right, but don't mind my mother because she had to open her mouth and say something. But yeah, I'm not gonna stop and keep it rolling. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Make errors. But yeah, I'm definitely going to it the 24th. So I'm hype. My vacation from work starts the 25th, but oh well. But yeah, enough of that. I got some more news for y'all. You thought it was over? It ain't over. No. Hopefully y'all like these long vids, because this is how we giving it up now. But yeah, let's get into that next good piece of news I got for y'all. Air Max Con 2016. Let's get it. Run that shit. Next. Here we go. We got the Air Jordan 12 Universities. Here we go. The Air Jordan 12 Universities Blue drops next month. Grade school only. That's all I have right now. I have no more information on that. I just know it's grade school. It's gonna be crazy. Lots of people gonna be on it. It's gonna be crazy, like the tax return 12, the tax return masters. Yeah, tax return masters. So it should be crazy, off the chain. Everybody and their mother gonna be out there, even grandmothers, aunts, uncles, people that gotten deported. They're gonna be out there on that line trying to get this sneaker. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be wild. So definitely don't sleep on it. You know, if you have a chance, try to get it a little bit earlier, cause just avoid the issue of being online. I hate lines personally. I try to get my sneakers early. You know, cause that's just me. I don't like really waiting on lines unless I try to do a little footage to give you a taste of what's going on, which I probably will the day of that release. Probably gonna meet my crazy ass going to the city, stand online, see what's going on, record everybody. People love being recorded. Probably pass out, you know, some information and all of that. Tell them subscribe to the channel and all of that. But yeah, let's get into it. Dope tumble leather on these sneakers. I'm not sure. I don't think that's patent leather. I don't think that's patent leather. I think that's leather there with that blue. That baby blue, that's what I can call it. Bottom right there, that sole. The tab in the back, I love it. I'm an 8.5. I know grade school only. He said grade school, so I don't know what's the biggest size grade school is up to, or whatever. But yeah, man, these are dope. I might cut off my big toe and my pinky toe to get up into these sneakers. They might go down, but yeah, dope sneaker. Ladies gonna get it. A lot of ladies gonna jump on it. A lot of ladies. But what I don't want to see is, I don't want to see a group of people taking one whole flick with the same outfit and the same sneakers. I don't want to see that with these on. I don't want to see that, okay? I don't want to see that. Please don't do it. You already know you got these people out here that don't cop sneakers on the daily, but now they want cop because they got a little extra change. I don't want to see these people posting these crazy, off-the-wall, outrageous pictures. Like, yeah, I got mine. But then you're going to cook yours a week later. You're going to irritate me. So I'm letting you know now. So, yeah, enough of my rant. Yeah. Once again, Air Jordan 12 University Blue. Cop out. I don't have any price point as of now. But I will. Yeah, sure indeed, I will. And when I get that, you'll get it. Or if not, you'll probably beat me to it. But, yeah. Air Jordan 12 Blue University. Drops next month. Grade school only. Okay? But yes, boy, Rip Your Soul, and I'm out. Cut. Subscribe to. Bye.